Standing before you here is Honorable Mrs. Oekachi Atulom. I love him. The CEO of Oladeco Exclusive Concept and Logistics, Abia State, and the facilitator of the Abia Tour, located in Umuahia. I'm right here at Tafawa Balewa Square, Lagos State, for the African Tourism Youth Festival 2024, holding right here in Lagos State. And seeing this program, you can see behind me the kids performing, the drummers performing, is to tell that a whole lot is been happening right here. So I'm using this opportunity to tell who is who in the tourism and entertainment industry to find their way down to Tafawa Balewa Square. We'll still be here tomorrow. We'll still be here next tomorrow. And to the tourism enthusiasts all over the place, I'm using this opportunity to call upon you all to come and let's support ourselves to build up the tourism potentials in Nigeria, starting from all our different states. Like now, I'm from Abia. I'm trying to showcase what we have in Abia to the world. And I believe that Abia is part of Nigeria, it's part of African continent. If it's not in African continent, you wouldn't have seen me here. This event wouldn't have been hosted here, right here in Lagos State. So I'm equally calling upon the government officials, the governors, the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to see and look into these tourism potentials we have in Nigeria, to invest in them. Tourism has a whole lot of positive effects on our people. It gives employment, it saves the people, it generates highly internally revenue for states, local governments, federal at large, and all whatnot. So when we invest in tourism, we are absolutely showcasing what we have and producing what we have in our Nigeria. Cities like Dubai, we talk about Dubai, everybody wants to visit Dubai. Dubai is an artificial tourist center. But right here in Nigeria, we have almost all our tourist centers are still out there. Natural states from inception to today. So I'm using this opportunity to call upon young men, young women, media personalities, government officials, Nigeria students. I'm also using this opportunity to talk to our Ministry of Education to look into this tourism as a major course from primary school, secondary school, and at the tertiary institution levels. Tourism has come to stay. Tourism is life. And I'm congratulating my dear brother, Mr. Ayo, who behind his brain puts up this massive event, because to organize an entire continent program, bringing it down to Lagos, is not just a joke. And I'm equally thanking the Lagos State government for granting this program access, for granting him access to organize this program in Lagos. As this is the first edition, I believe and pray that subsequent editions will be better, bigger, and more fantastic than today's own. So I wish him success. I pray that African Tourism Youth Festival has come to stay, and we all will support him from anywhere we are till the end. Thank you, and God bless you.